Practicing family law requires some general expertise in a multitude of areas, and these are things that you need to be cognizant of when you are selecting the attorney that's right for you. And we're going to get to that relationship in a minute, but things that you need to make sure that your attorney knows about. You need to have some basic understanding of real estate law. You know, your attorney needs to know about real estate law so they can deal with not only the marital home, but also investment property and commercial property or family farms in some cases. So these are things that you need to make sure that, one, you're disclosing to your attorney, and two, that they have some knowledge of how to handle those real estate situations. In addition to that, your family law attorney needs to be able to advise you on some things related to tax law. It's not going to come up in every case, but basic tax issues are going to come up almost every family law situation. Whether that be the tax consequence of dividing retirement accounts, who's going to claim the children as dependents, how long they have lived with one spouse or another during the calendar year, and when, of course, the tax consequences change for somebody who has been married. So the general rule is whatever your status was on December 31st of the previous tax year, that's your filing status going forward until such time as the court signs a final decree of divorce or something to that effect, formalizing the division of the marriage, dissolution of the marriage. So that's something to keep in mind, and you need to make sure that your legal counsel can competently guide you to the answers to those questions, or to a tax professional, and certainly in more complicated matters, especially ones involving married filing separately, or the division of retirement accounts, or more importantly, tax consequences for splitting up businesses. Those are questions that you're going to need competent answers to, and you're going to need to make sure that you have a legal professional and a legal team that can answer those questions or steer you in the right direction to get those questions answered.